Welcome to eShipper. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through integrating your Amazon store with MyShip. First, we'll connect eShipper as your carrier, then we'll set up your Amazon store. Let's get started. First, head over to MyShip.ai and log in with your eShipper credentials. Just enter your email and password, then click Login. Easy. Now, go to the Settings menu. From the drop-down, select Carrier Settings. This is where you'll add eShipper as your carrier. In the top right corner, click Add Carrier. This starts the integration process. From the list, find eShipper and click on it. A pop-up will now appear. Now, let's enter the details. Here's what you need to enter. In the carrier URL field, type the URL provided. For the API key, use your eShipper login username. In the API secret field, enter your eShipper password. The access token is not needed to install the eShipper app. Once everything's filled in correctly, click Submit. Your eShipper account is now connected, but it's inactive by default. To activate it, click the toggle switch. It should turn green, meaning your account is live and ready to use. Now that your carrier is set up, let's integrate your Amazon store. Go back to Settings and select Platform Settings from the drop-down. In the top right corner, click Add Platform. A pop-up will appear with available platforms. Select Amazon. If you have accounts for both Amazon.ca and Amazon.com, start with Amazon.ca. Once completed, repeat the same steps to add your Amazon US account. You'll be directed to Amazon Seller Central. Log in with your credentials and grant permissions when prompted. Once you've accepted the permissions, your Amazon store is now linked to MyShip.ai. You're all set to manage your shipping seamlessly. Now that your Amazon store is integrated, let's fine-tune your settings for a smooth shipping experience. In MyShip, go to Settings and select Platform Settings from the drop-down. Locate your Amazon store, click the three dots, and choose Settings to open the configuration page. Under the Business Address tab, enter your business address. This ensures accurate shipping calculations. Go to the Basic Settings tab and configure your default shipping preferences. Select Auto Sync to enable automatic order and product updates. Navigate to the Boxing Settings tab. Here, you'll find a list of available box sizes. Click Add Box to add new dimensions. Fill in the blanks and click Save. Now, MyShip will automatically select the most suitable box for each order. Go to the eCommerce section and click Orders to see all of the incoming orders. Use the store name filter to find specific ones or manually trigger a sync if needed. Click Products to view and manage your listings. If syncing is enabled in your platform settings, MyShip will automatically update both your orders and product listings every 60 minutes, keeping everything in sync without lifting a finger. Need to sync manually right away? Head to the Stores tab, select your Amazon store, and click the sync icon in the top right corner to manually refresh your data. And that's it! Your eShipper account and Amazon store are now fully integrated with MyShip. Need more help? Reach out to us anytime. Happy shipping!